Affordable DIY hair masks for hydration. Title: Affordable DIY hair masks for hydration. Introduction. Maintaining hair hydration is essential for achieving healthy, luscious locks. Unfortunately, factors such as environmental pollution, heat styling, chemical treatments, and frequent shampooing can strip the hair of its natural moisture. However, there's no need to despair. This article will provide you with a list of affordable DIY hair masks that can help restore and retain moisture, leaving our hair looking nourished and hydrated. 1. Banana and honey hair mask. Bananas are packed with potassium, vitamins, and natural oils that can hydrate and smoothen dry hair. Combine 1 ripe mashed banana with 2 tablespoons of honey until you have a smooth, creamy mixed. Apply it generously from roots to ends and leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing. This mask will leave your hair feeling soft, moisturized, and healthy. 2. Avocado and olive oil hair mask. Avocado is a natural conditioner that helps nourish and hydrate hair. Mash 1 ripe avocado and mix it with 2 tablespoons of olive oil until well blended. Apply the mask evenly through your hair and let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing. The healthy fats present in avocado combined with the moisturizing properties of olive oil will leave your hair feeling hydrated and rejuvenated. 3. Aloe vera and coconut oil hair mask. Aloe vera is a miracle plant known for its abundance of vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that promote hair health. Mix 2 tablespoons of pure aloe vera gel with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and blend until smooth. Apply the mixture to your hair, focusing on the ends. Leave it on for 30 minutes before washing it out. This mask will provide deep hydration, leaving your hair feeling silky and manageable. 4. Egg and yogurt hair mask. Eggs are rich in protein and fatty acids that help strengthen and moisturize the hair. Mix 1 beaten egg with half a cup of plain yogurt until well combined. Apply the mixture to damp hair, massage it gently into your scalp. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing it off with lukewarm water. This mask will give your hair a natural shine while restoring its moisture balance. 5. Apple cider vinegar and honey hair mask. Apple cider vinegar helps balance the pH of the hair and scalp, promoting hydration and preventing frizz. Mix 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with 1 tablespoon of honey and dilute it in half a cup of warm water. After shampooing, pour the mixture over your hair, making sure to distribute it evenly. Leave it on for 5 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. This mask will leave your hair feeling smooth, soft, and hydrated. 6. Mayonnaise and olive oil hair mask. Mayonnaise may seem like an unusual hair mask ingredient, but its high fat content can provide intense moisture to dry, damaged hair. Mix half a cup of mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of olive oil till well blended. Apply the mixture generously to your hair, focusing on the ends. Cover your hair with a shower cap and leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing it out. This mask will leave your hair feeling nourished and deeply moisturized. 7. Shea butter and coconut milk hair mask. Shea butter is well known for its moisturizing properties and can provide intense hydration to dry and damaged hair. Mix 2 tablespoons of shea butter with half a cup of coconut milk until well blended. Heat the mixture until the shea butter melts, then let it cool slightly before applying it to your hair. Massage it into your scalp and distribute it through your hair, focusing on the ends. Lee. Lay it on for 30 to 40 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. This mask will leave your hair feeling deeply nourished and hydrated.